Hi there, I'm back today with the Majority Arbury 2 $14.99 radio. This is the cheapest DAB Plus radio that I could find on Amazon. And you know what? It does the job. It works. But today, because it looks like an electronics project kit, I'm going to treat it as such and I'm going to take it apart and look inside. There we go. Alright, so you can see here we've got some kind of shielding there on the back by the look of things. I'm guessing that's what that is, right? Other than that, that is it. Right, and I'm going to get in a bit closer to this now. So this antenna just comes all the way down here. So even when, even when it's kind of down flat like that, it's effectively sort of still, you've still got this piece in. But I guess that's true for all antennas, right? So there is the actual board itself that does the DAB radio. I don't know whether you can see the chips there. Let's just try and get that in better focus for you. There you go. And there's really nothing to that. If I hold my screwdriver up against that, you can kind of get an idea of how tiny that is. Absolutely minute. Then you've just got this board behind it, which is presumably just for the keypad and the display. And then over here is the little 1.5 watt 8 ohm speaker. In fact, I probably can pull that little lithium polymer cell out. Yeah, it doesn't. I can't get it out, I'm afraid. I don't want to break the thing. So, on there at the bottom there, we have the board with the headphone out here, micro USB charging, and the main sort of little power on-off switch. Gosh, there's really nothing to it, is there? And that's what you can pick up for $14.99. And there's the little LED that tells you that it's charging. Fantastic. It really does confirm my suspicion that this is just an electronics project kit. There we go. Quick look inside this DAB radio from Majority. You know what? I'm not going to take my Sony ones apart.